I'm Theresa Hartzell. I'm a family law, also known as divorce law attorney. The areas of practice are divorce, custody, support, protection from abuse, grandparent cases, adoptions, step-parent adoptions, and anything that is associated with family law matters. When you walk in my door, I have a questionnaire that people fill out so that I get a sense of just background information, where you live, who you live with, your educational degree, and I get that information from regarding the other side as well. If it's a divorce action, it's helpful if you bring some documentation with you so that I have a sense of what we're dealing with in the division of the assets. If the issue was custody, I'd like some background and whether you have any documentation, report cards, letters, notes from teachers, if there's a therapist involved, information that would help me assess the situation to see exactly what's going on. If it's a support matter, it's important that you bring in your income information. People call my office often and they want to know what their rights are. It's very important when you're making any decision to be informed. People come into my office and talk with me, and I tell them what their rights are. I provide them with information, and then I recommend a course of action. It's very important before you make any decision regarding divorce, custody, support, any of those issues, to be informed, to be fully informed of the law. Know what the law is before you make a decision. Once you know what the law is, then you can make a proper decision. And that's what I do. I tell people the truth. If your position and the opposing party's position are close, the best thing to do is to work it out. If the positions of the parties are not close at all, that one party's position is so unreasonable that you cannot work with them, then the only option is to seek the assistance of the court. The parties are most happy, my experience has been, the parties are most happy when they have a say in it, when they can come to a determination made by the two parties and no one's really happy, they're okay. That's the best settlement. When you go to court, and I am not afraid to go to court, I have many years of litigation behind me. When you go to court, you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know who the judge is necessarily. You don't know what biases the judge has. And you may get a result that you don't want. And that's the risk that you take when you go to court. However, if the opposing party is taking such an outrageous position that it's the only way you can get to court, if it's an outrageous position, you're probably going to be successful because it's such an outrageous position. We have a very low-key office. I know people are nervous when they come to see an attorney. We are a welcoming firm.